Howdy folks, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. Today we're heading to a manufactured house where they're complaining about a kitchen drain being slow and pretty much not draining. So let's go take a look. All right, so we arrived. We're at a 55 and over community here on the west side of town. We're in this neighborhood all the time. Now this is a recall. We had one of our technicians who was out here a couple weeks ago, had the same problem, snaked out the drains, all that stuff, but the kitchen drain is still not draining properly. All right, so I don't know if everybody out there understands though about how a ventilation and drain system works on a manufactured homes. They're a little bit different. 99% of the times they don't have vent stacks coming up through the roof. So I imagine my technician that was out here a few weeks ago had to snake the drain out underneath the kitchen through the vent underneath there, which has a pro vent. We're gonna go take a look and we're gonna test it and see what's going on. Now, mind you, I can't do a whole lot of talking inside of the home because the customer's there. So just watch and be mindful. All right, so did you see that? I had a hunch when I got the call to come out here, because I've been out here before for a different call, that there was probably maybe a problem with the little vent that was down underneath there. I learned this from years ago experience. So before I started dragging all my equipment out and everything, I went in there, I pulled this out, I cut the old 1.5" adapter out of there, and I glued a 2" with a reducer on there and put the white style in there that works off of a flap. It's not spring loaded like this. The spring inside of here failed. So in essence, I screwed it back on there, filled up the sink like you saw, and it all dumped water. Well, hey, that's all the time we got for today. I hope you guys learned something. Remember, next time you're out on a stoppage, especially a kitchen stoppage, at a mobile home, chances are pretty good. Kitchen drains are always dirty. You're going to want to probably snake it out. But before you finish and you collect the money, check that little pro vent. If it's a little black kind like I showed you that I pulled out of there, chances are, because it is spring loaded, it may have gone bad. Go ahead and see if you can bush it up to a 2" with a female adapter and put a 2" one, the white kind, that doesn't work off the spring activated. It works off of a head pressure suction diaphragm. Okay, so as soon as the water hits it, it just opens up, opens and shuts, opens and shuts. Now, if you still would have a problem with it due to this pro vent, chances might be that you have some sort of a problem with piping underneath, like a hard bend where it's not catching enough air to gap out through there. If you aren't in the market or they don't want to spend the money on you cutting those pipes out, you can always take the vent and just screw it one turn in there, just enough so it's in there and it has room to pull air. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Got any questions, comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.